So you've got the DJI Action 5 Pro. Amazing camera, right? But here's the thing, the right accessories can completely transform how you use it. Today we're checking out 4 game-changing accessories from TELESIN and how it'll take your Action 5 Pro footage to the next level. First up is the TELESIN Action Camera Neck Holder. This is a total game changer for POV content. It wraps comfortably around your neck and positions around your Action 5 Pro right at chest level, giving you that authentic first-person perspective without having to hold anything. Think about cooking videos. Your hands are free to chop and stir while the camera captures everything from your viewpoint. Or hiking. Imagine trekking through a trail, your hands free to use trekking poles or grab onto rocks while your Action 5 Pro records the entire journey naturally. It's also great for workshop content. Whether you're working on a car engine, doing woodworking, or any hands-on project, this neck holder keeps your perspective stable and your hands completely free to work. The design is comfortable even during extended wear, so you can record for hours without neck strain. It stays firm around your body, and you can also mold it to different shapes to try and get different angles or whatever's comfortable for you. Next is the 3-meter carbon fiber selfie stick. Yes, you heard that right, 3 meters. But here's what makes it special. It's carbon fiber, which means it extends to 3 meters but stays incredibly lightweight and sturdy. Picture this, you're at a concert or festival. Instead of holding Action 5 Pro at arm's length and getting just yourself and a bit of the stage, you can extend this stick to its full length and capture the entire crowd and the stage and yourself all in one epic shot. Or imagine you're mountain biking, mount your Action 5 Pro on this extended stick and follow yourself from behind or above, creating those professional follow cam shots. Travel vloggers, this is your new best friend. Capture yourself with landmarks without having to ask strangers to take photos of you. Beach scenes, cliff edges, city skylines. The 3-meter reach gives you incredible flexibility. And because it's carbon fiber, it won't wear you down after a whole day of shooting. Now let's talk about the StreetGrip kit. I've been coming across a lot of reels on Instagram where they're shooting photos with your Action 5 Pro, but they've been using this, and I thought it's pretty cool. Now I finally got to try it out, and I thought it was amazing. This kit gives you incredible control and stability. It's designed for run and gun shooting, which is perfect for urban exploration, street photography, or any situation where you need to move fast and capture smooth footage. Imagine you're filming a city walk. The StreetGrip lets you hold your Action 5 Pro low for ground level shots, high for overhead perspectives, or straight ahead for eye level footage, all while keeping everything stable and your hand comfortable. For skateboarders and BMX riders, this is perfect for following your friends. The grip design absorbs shock better than holding the camera directly, so even when you're running alongside or walking on rough terrain, your footage stays surprisingly smooth. Vloggers will love this for walk and talk segments. The ergonomic grip means you can hold it for extended periods without hand fatigue, and the design naturally keeps your shots level. It's also great for quick transitions. Go from filming yourself to flipping it around and capture what you're looking at in seconds. Now this outer cage is definitely more sturdy compared to the one that comes with the Action 5 Pro when you purchase it. So for those of you who use this camera almost daily, this kit will give you that feel of holding a real mirrorless camera in a way, because it's got that cage and that grip that makes you feel like you're holding a real mirrorless camera, but a really tiny sized one. Now last but not least, the ND filter set. Now this kit comes with the CPL, ND8, 16 and 32 filters. Now the CPL, or circular polarizing filter, is great for reflections. If you're filming near water, it helps you cut the glare and see beneath the surface. And if you're shooting windows, it helps cut through the reflection and lets you see through. Now landscape photographers also use CPL filters quite often, and this is because the CPL filters make those colors pop. If you're into water sports, surfing, kayaking, or sailing, this filter is essential for getting those crystal clear shots. Now the ND filters, 8, 16 and 32. Think of them as sunglasses for your Action 5 Pro. It helps reduce the amount of light entering your camera. Now this is crucial for that cinematic motion blur. The higher you go in numbers, the darker it gets. Now why does this matter? Without ND filters, your Action 5 Pro might shoot at a shutter speed that's too fast, making motion look shuttery and unnatural. With the right ND filter, you get smooth, professional looking motion blur that makes your footage look cinematic rather than home video quality. I shoot a lot of FPV footage with my Action 5 Pro, and I've always almost got an ND filter on it. I also film a lot of time lapses with this camera, so I always try to get my shutter speed down to 1/4, 1/5 to get that motion blur, especially if I'm filming crowds or cars. So there you have it, 4 accessories from TELESIN that can expand what you can do with your Action 5 Pro. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these also work with the Action 4. The neck holder for hands-free POV, the 3-meter carbon fiber selfie stick for epic reach, the StreetGrip kit for stable handheld shooting, and the filter set for professional quality image control. Each one solves a specific challenge and opens up new creative possibilities. Which one appealed more to you? Let me know down in the comments below. I've also included TELESIN's link in case you're interested in purchasing their accessories. Happy shooting!